birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya.
Amatikulu Nature Reserve will never be the same after the Main-Baillie brothers lured all their friends to a wild weekend celebrations as Jody hit the big 3-0. It all started quite civilized as we did the right thing and headed out on a hike. After all, it's a beautiful place. We strolled down to the estuary, first taking in the magnificent view and then took on a trail walk. And it was the wrong trail walk. Like a bunch of idiots, we got lost straight away, but that didn't dampen the jungle spirit. Everyone was amped for a good day out. We knew the real party was still to come.
This is Jody's birthday, and we'll walk along the park down to the water's edge. Check them in the background. Who's following you? All mates need to run. Does anybody know where we're going?
Not to Rome. No, we're not going to Rome.
Soon we were bushwhacking through a bloody goat trail. Thanks everybody, when suddenly the whole procession came to a standstill. The threat. Was it a lion? Was it a leopard? No, it was just a spider, actually. A big, hungry spider.
What sort of spider is that?
The golden orb spider.
Is it? How are we getting past it?
Around the side.
So what happens if you get bitten by that snake? I mean fucking spider. I keep saying snake. What happens if you get bitten by the spider?
Spider-Man.
Don't. Why would you do that? Don't you dare! No.
The spider.
The Spider-Man.
Ticklet's north, Dave. One side.
Everybody had their own private freak out trying to get by the spider, but it was like a brick wall for terrified Talita.
Scared of spiders.
We were supposed to end up at the whale viewing point, but a wrong turn landed us up at the river. A giant obstacle between us and the beach. Never mind, we'll just chill right here, people. Ashton, our crap guide, got us lost and then decided to bush dive. Nice work, dude.
That's a bush diver.
My mum would be driving, we just tried it at the bucky, bro.
Back at camp, Justin takes advice from Ashton, the crappy bush doctor, with a rural steam remedy.
Actually, just now you come up and you got like a
What exactly was that?
hot and smelly.
Where did you want to go? How do you feel?
Hot and sweaty.
There ain't nobody in this world that I know who can shake me down, woman, the way that you do. You got grace and impeccable style.
And Bambi came to Jody's party too.
I've been around the block a time or two. I've been to hell and back just looking for you. I searched this whole world through and through. Forget about it, sugar. No one turns me on like you do. No one turns me on like you do.
It took a couple of monkeys to decide where to put this tent, and it moved mysteriously later on in the evening.
You can shake your ass to disco or get down to the blues. I'm your lover, boy, you make me feel like a man. You can set me on fire with the touch of your hand. I've been to Moscow, I've been to the moon. I've been to hell and back just looking for you.
Amatikulu tented camp is really rustic and a great weekend getaway. And guess what? It's just an hour from Durban.
No one turns me on like you do. No one turns me on like you do. Now heading to Troy, now Bridget Bardot, now Mary Tyler Moore, Marilyn Monroe. I'm the only one who can turn me on. Forget about it, sugar. No one turns me on like you do. No one turns me on like you do.
At least you know you fit into a size 13 of all jeans.
You're flammable.
Okay, come, let's do the wig and stuff.
At the top. I'm gonna have to pull my stomach in all night long. Jody's 30th birthday. Jody Main-Ballie, by the way, happy birthday, bro. And look, you've made a dick out of all of us.
Fucking OTT.
Man. Hi, I'm Ryan Nathan Queen, and we're here today.
No one turns me on like you do.
I'm the cameraman.
She can't do any makeup for a Tarzan gig. I mean, how shit is she? I mean,
Bro, what part of Tarzan don't you understand?
I got the Brooks. I got the Brooks.
You know, there's very poisonous caterpillars.
This is Jamie Main-Baillie for National Pornographic. If you keep very quiet and look on the wall, you'll see a Homo sapien homophobe as he gathers and collects for the pride. This is the part where he realizes that sticks can be used as tools.
He looks like Bob Marley, bro.
Dave didn't get the memo.
Hope you have many more. This is an awesome job.
Happy birthday, Butch. It's been an excellent 30 years. There's at least another 30 to come. Things are getting better, bigger, and have a good one.
That looks good, my bro.
What's the gay donkey?
You know what? You can tell gay jokes here.
I can change anything else.
Happy birthday, Jody. Have an
We'd just like
awesome
to
year.
take this
Love you.
opportunity to say that we really love you and thank you very much for having us at this wonderful place. She says thank you.
Just mixing up an usual potion for Jody's birthday. The special blend. Just for Jody on his birthday. And there's Dave looking for me.
Jungle juice time! The tribe all tuck in. We're in this together, people.
You're not there. You're off the hand.
as you sip it, you got to wish Jody happy birthday. Start again.
Happy
Happy birthday, Jody!
Happy birthday, Jody, buddy. All the best, man.
Happy birthday!
I want to flash Jody.
Flash our chocolate, show you banana hammock! Banana hammock! And many more!
Happy birthday, Jody!
And more jungle
Where's
juice.
Jody, bro?
Woo! Wearing a fucking skirt.
Hey, you need one.
Why have you still got the bottle?
Swap hands.
How did you get the bottle back? I'm gifted like well done. Give the evidence.
Best everything else, bro, that you left there.
The full moon brought out the animal in everybody.
All the women I had, but that was back when I was a millionaire.
Right, it's time for tribal council. Everybody strut your stuff and show off your Tarzan and Jane interpretations.
Tarzan and welcome to the best dress.
It got more and more crazy as the jungle juice started to take effect.
Mr. Birthday Man himself.
Hello, birthday boy. And the winner is Tanya.
You win an Apple iPad.
I can't spray him again!
Smell me. Dirty 30. What are your aspirations for the next 5 years?
I want to stop drinking and smoking, first of all.
Yeah.
And then maybe push out a couple kids.
Yeah.
How many?
I think it's difficult for you to push out kids. Talita will probably be better at that than you are.
Or who's ever willing for the task, I'm game. Yeah, I'm me.
Be good, trouble leader. Good start, good start.
One more time, thank you. That tent over there.
That tent over there, my daughter was conceived in that tent. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Why did that slip to a U-turn at this point?
They always go left.
How do you get so much?
I really fucked it up this time. Didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my
As you can see, the night went from hammered to, well, extremely hammered. Is this an extreme sport, people? Hey, Jody, how are you going to beat this next year? That's it. It's over. Da, 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 da.